If you forgot your login password on Instagram, in this video, I'll show you how to view your current password. I'm not talking about changing the password of your Instagram account, but rather finding out what your configured password is. And for that purpose, we will utilize the Google account because Google stores all the login data that we employ. So to do that, you're going to access the settings on your phone. Then you'll look for the Google option right here below. Click on Google, then manage your Google account. Now you need to scroll this tab to the left and access the security option in order to ensure the safety and protect the privacy of your account. On this screen, you're going to scroll all the way down. Keep going through all the options until you find the following option: Password Settings or Manage Password. Click here. Now you will have the ability to view all the login data that Google has already saved, including data from other social networks, not just Instagram. So if you want to see your Instagram password, you'll click here on instagram.com, unlock it with your password, with your fingerprint, and by clicking here, you'll be able to see what your current Instagram password is. Did you solve your Instagram password? Comment below, like, and subscribe to stay updated with more videos that will assist you in your daily life like this. See you later.